Hey everybody, welcome to all the new subscribers. We're just out messing around today, running some saws. Got a little bit of decent weather, clouds are rolling in, so the sun's kind of going away, so I wanted to run this one today. So we're going to do a cold start 500i. There's nothing to it, just pull the rope and go, basically, with this one. It either runs or it ain't gonna, right? Electrical, all the electrical stuff and all that kind of business, as long as you don't have a hole in your primer ball. If you get a hole in your primer ball, I suppose it acts like an air leak or something, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure you'll know it. There'll be fuel coming out on you. Just let it warm up good. Let your saws warm up good. And this one, the 500i, you're letting it warm up and it's doing its thing. It's figuring out where it's at and all that in the warm up. So, yeah, I'm just gonna cut some smaller pieces of pine, and then we've got a couple chunks that I can cut off of a decent size for, I don't know, it's probably 18, 20 inches anyway. So yeah, that's just what we're going to cut. I'm just trying to run some gas through it, get the feel of it. I may have done a little bit of a muffler modification on it for this one, and we'll see how it reacts to it. Hope you're all having an awesome day. I know it's sure beautiful here. This is 28-inch full house hand file. This is like the fourth tank of fuel on it. So I sharpened the chain. I hit a chunk of wire on one of the other videos. So I have sharpened the chain since then. So this is the first filing. Took the rakers down to about 30 thousandths with the raker gauge.
Yeah!
It's not warming up very much. There's still ice in the back of my pickup. It's almost noon and there's still ice in the back of the pickup. Frozen, not just like a little layer of ice on the water in the back of my pickup. It's like froze. But thanks everybody for hanging out with me, just messing around with this 500i, getting to know it, getting to see what it likes, what it doesn't as far as filing goes. This is probably a little bit too aggressive, just a tiny bit too aggressive, but it's in the raker. It's in the raker, so I'll run it like this. It's great for standing up, and bucking. But when you dog it in, it notices it for sure. So I'll be probably going with about 25 thousandths. Stay with that, then it'll be good. Be good for falling and for bucking, either one. And it won't dig in, dog in, you know. That's what I wanted to test on that stump. I was testing to see if it would do that very thing on the stump with the file that I have going on right now. It's a round file, hand file, and with that raker setup, it's a little bit too aggressive. Works great otherwise, cutting, just as long as you don't let it dig right in, you know. These different dogs are more aggressive too, and they will pull and they will stick. So we might try a different style of dog also with that, but it's mostly in the raker. And getting to know the saw, you know, as you feed it into the wood, you know, you learn that when you run a saw for a while. You learn what, you know, what rate it will accept. You know, if you just dig it in and, you know, it's going to do that but thing. But if you feed it slow, you know, it doesn't seem to do that when you feed it slowly. Just hogging on it, it's gonna bog it down for sure. Yeah, and it seemed to accept the little muffler modification that I did. And yeah, we're doing good. We're cruising right along with the old 500i. Awesome, everybody. I love you all. Take care and be safe. Be kind to one another and help one another, please. Around the corner, there's always somebody to help. Always a way to help somebody. Always somebody there that's going to need help somehow. I appreciate y'all. TazMan is rolling. Be kind.